Bob Orth Jr. here, president of Go Industries, and we have something exciting to show. This is our all-new one-piece Big Tex Platinum grill guard. This model, number 77673, fits on the 2020 Dodge 2500 and 3500 and gives it a whole fresh new look. The Big Tex Platinum 77673 installs in place of the tow hooks, and the tow hooks become part of the brackets that are installed. This one-piece unit comes with a metal cover and rubber push pads. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. Check this out and other designs at goindustries.com. Go Industries has been in business for over 42 years, and we have been making grill guards for decades. This modern look is brand new and has just come out on the market. This was the first 77673 for our 2020 Dodge 2500 3500 truck.